we got it in the color white. It's 256 GB,
which is a lot.
Yes.
Which is a
So
lot.
this is the box. Here's the back. Now, without further ado, let's get unboxing.
Oh!
Now, so let's take this out. So as usual, Apple always puts in some stickers.
What?
This paper and this instructions paper thing that tell you the stuff. Okay, here you go. Let's put these back.
Oh.
So let's see
Wait,
the
Mars.
other stuff before the phone. Let me just take the phone out. So we have got the cable. We got the headphones, the cable, the port like usual. Give us the cable and the headphones. So now we can show you guys this one. The phone. We put this. So guys, here's the phone. The phone is like mostly made out of glass from the back. It's very smooth. Yes? The camera looks like he's very excited. It has a nice camera. Let's open it. Now let's open it. So now, here's the phone. So this thing has fingerprint scanning. It has like all glass. You can do wireless charging with this thing. It has a very good camera because it's an iPhone 8. They made the camera better. It's like the camera is like the iPhone 8 Plus, but it just you can't do portrait mode and stuff, other stuff, and yeah. I'll hold it.
So here's the phone. There we have so it has 2 slides, one here and some other stuff. And so let's take a photo.
I'll put my hand here. Ready? So yes.
It has live. We're gonna do it live.
So we're gonna do a live photo. Ready, Muaz? Come on. Everyone get in the picture. And cheese. Funny face. So yeah, the front camera is really good.
Let's see the back camera.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take a picture with the back.
Oh no. Hey, can I take it?
Oh no. Got it, yeah. So Ollie's gonna take a picture with me with the back camera and me and Muaz. Ready? Funny face.
So it's pretty nice too. It looks like it cut a little bit like gives a little bit of light. So the background looks much better.
It is time-lapse, slow-mo, video, photo, square, and panorama, but it doesn't have portrait because on the iPhone 7 Plus and 8 Plus there's two cameras. Also on the iPhone 10 or X there's 2 cameras, so that's what Apple uses to use portrait mode. So we really like this phone. We think it's pretty nice. So thank you guys for watching our video.
Please like this video.
Please subscribe to our channel. And please watch our other videos.
Bye.